Hi hotties, it's me Scotty here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have mentioned, so in my last video, my Mean Girls inspired makeup look, I have mentioned about my Influensters package that I have received. I have received this complimentary package in the mail from Influensters. So I already mentioned before how I'm in this program app thing called Influensters, where we review products, and once in a while they send free products to you so you can review. Everything is free, it's all complimentary. All you gotta do is just test out their stuff, review it on your social media accounts, and that's it. You gain points from it, and they choose you at random. So I have received this Glow in 20s Vox box not too long ago. I've been testing it out for about a week and a half, just to get a good idea of what I'm gonna be reviewing, because I don't want to test these things out on a one-time thing. I want to make sure I get the full details of this. So I got quite a couple things this time. It wasn't just one primer. This time I received a Type A aluminum-free deodorant, a Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal Whipped Body Butter, Bliss Bright Idea Vitamin C Tripeptide Collagen Protecting and Brightening Moisturizer, and Tic Tac X Freeze. So that's quite a bit of stuff I have received, and like I said, I've been testing this stuff out for about a week and a half. So I want to give you guys the full tea on this. Now, I want to start off with this Bliss. It says here, it's basically a brighten and firm moisturizer. It says massage onto clean skin for brighter, more even toned complexion. Use morning and night, keep in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. For external use only, keep away from the eyes. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. The usual deal. This is cruelty free, which is a major plus. It says it lasts here for about 6 months after opening. And let me just say, I have been using this for the face area, obviously, because it's supposed to brighten any skin tones out. And let me just say, I love it. Now, it's a vegan moisturizer, and it's supposed to protect your skin's natural elasticity for soft, supple skin, and gives you a nice dewy glow. But I also recall the box, because it comes in this little packaging here, which I love. And it says here it's free from parabens, phthalates, SLS, SLES, and more. It's cruelty-free, vegan. Basically, I already mentioned that. Okay, so it plumps your face as well. It's supposed to boost your skin, makes it super soft, it hydrates, gives you a nice dewy glow. So this has vitamin C in it. However, it's the non-irritating one, just so it could, be more subtle for the skin. So when opening the jar, it comes with this little screen thing right here. It helps give it protect. It smells super good. I love the way it smells. It smells like oranges. Now, it says here you have to wash your face. Basically, it's better when you have a nice, clean surface. I always apply this when I wash my face, and every time I get out the shower, this goes right on. And let me just say, I freaking love this. So it's this nice white base. You get a whole bunch of it in this little tiny jar, and I just go ahead and dab that on. So I'm starting this new routine where I moisturize my face now, and then I let because when you moisturize your face, you're a little tacky. So when I'm done moisturizing, I let my face dry for like a good 5-10 minutes before I do my makeup routine. So it just hydrates my face a little more better. So it's just an extra base, basically. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry before I even do my makeup, because I'm doing my makeup today. Let me just say, I freaking love this. I feel like it has been, brightening my skin, and that's what it's supposed to do, brighten your skin, basically. So yeah, I highly recommend this. If you are in the Influencers program, do you have this Vox box, the hashtag Glow in 20s Vox box? And if you do, what do you think about this? Have you guys tried any of these products before? I have never heard of Bliss, but let me just say, this I highly recommend. It smells fantastic. It feels great on the skin. It's very hydrating. It's so freshening. It's like, you know, it's just amazing, and it works great as a makeup base too. However, I usually use this as a hydrator, so I'll apply this, let my skin dry down, and then I'll do my makeup routine. But I do wear it every morning and night after I wash my face and things like that. So there's that. The next thing I want to talk about is this. A lot of people have already heard about Gold Bond. This is the Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal Whipped Body Butter. This is supposed to reveal your skin's natural radiance. It makes a buttery smooth texture, and its easy application delivers 24-hour moisturizer. I have been trying this for about a week and a half. It has coconut oil, cocoa butter, almond oil, so it's rich ingredients obviously. And let me just say, it's amazing. I'm loving the formula. I love the smell. So the smell, because of the fact that it has coconut in it, it reminds me of the beach, but it's like not a bad beachy smell, like a very nice smell. And like, I don't know what it is, but I'm liking this. Okay, so I, for one, sometimes I get dry skin, especially in the winter time. So let me just say, because this is supposed to be a long-lasting moisturizer, it is very long-lasting. My husband even agrees. Like, I'll apply this over my legs, my arms, things like that. And my husband even says that my skin has gotten softer, which is the whole point of a moisturizer. I am loving this. I used to wear something like this when I was younger, back in my high school years. However, I don't think it was this brand exactly. However, I think this works way better. I absolutely love this. It's a seven nourishing moisturizers. It just gets the job well done. It comes in this huge package, which I love, and and a little goes a long way. So basically, you just open it up. It's like a putty material. So basically, it's like a very thick, creamy, buttery material, and you don't need much. Like, you know, I usually grab like a fingertip, and I'm just gonna apply it on my hands today because I already did my face. And my hands are usually the most driest in the wintertime, especially because I'm always in water with the dishes and things like that, taking my daughter a bath. So my hands are always dry from working around the house. And let me just say, with this, my hands get super soft, like instantly. Like right now, it feels silky smooth. My knuckle area is amazing. It feels like I never had dry skin. So my skin does get rough during the winter times, and let me just say, highly recommend this. I am really impressed with the Vox box I have received. Now remember, I am not sponsored. I received all this stuff complimentary for testing purposes, but I do highly recommend you guys check this stuff out. Or I also highly recommend you check out Influensters. You can even go ahead and follow me on Influensters, and I'll also put down a referral link down below so you guys can check it out yourself. Like I said, all you have to do is review products. Whatever you have at your house, you don't have to buy new things. Whatever you tried, whatever you have, you can easily instantly review it. You don't have to have a YouTube channel, but they do want you to like basically do hashtags and mention that they're complimentary, things like that, if you do receive a box. But all you do is review the stuff. You don't need to put no credit cards in, no debit cards in, nothing. Everything is free. You get points out of everything you review and things like that, and then you get chosen randomly to try out different Vox boxes. Continuing, I also received this Type A deodorant. I will not be trying this on camera, so don't expect me to, you know. So this Type A aluminum-free deodorant, it says it's sweat activated technology for long-lasting odor and wetness protection. It's available at Target as well for like about 10 bucks, so it's not bad, you know. It does come in a weird applique. So basically you squeeze it out and it comes out with like this little cream thing like that. You apply it normally like a deodorant, but it comes in a tube form, which is not bad. So this does come in different kinds of scents. I, for one, have the Dreamer White Floral Linen. Now, it says here it's powered by natural ingredients, and it activates it's supposed to protect against wetness. So basically, you gently squeeze a tube to dispense the deodorant cream. Swipe a thin layer under your arm, just like a stick. It stays fresh as needed for the best results. Use on squeaky clean skin. So once again, I've been testing this out for about a week and a half. Every time I get out of the shower, bam, I apply this on because it recommends you apply it on your clean skin. And it's supposed to, it says here it's supposed to be long lasting. Don't get me wrong, like, I like it, it's okay, it gets the job done, but I don't know, I personally would not wear this all the time. This would not be my go-to deodorant. I don't know, I guess it's just, the deodorants I buy is more like, there's a nice fragrance to it, and when you apply it, it smells nice regardless. This has a very subtle scent, and I'm not for it. I'm not a fan of subtle scents. It doesn't last that long, so makes you question, you know, me testing it out. I rather stick with the regular deodorants I be using. I personally would not use this. Again, I've been testing this out for a week and it does the job done. Like, if I have to, sure, I will use it. Like, let's say I ran out of my original deodorant, sure, I'll go ahead and use this, you know, whatever. But I just would not make that as my go-to deodorant. Now, it is non-toxic. It's 100% safe. It leaves no marks, no stains, which is a plus because nobody likes stain. So yeah, I'm trying to see what else there is about it, but I guess not. Not a fan of, but I mean, everyone has their opinions. Have you guys tried any type A deodorants like this? What do you think about it? I, for one, you know, just not for me. So one or two last things I also received were these Tic Tacs. Now, these are new apparently. They're called X-Freeze. I have wintergreen and strong mint. Now, I actually like these. They come with cooling crystals. The cooling crystals look like what they use on icebreakers. Now, let me just say, it's I love it. It's sugar-free. It's not a low-calorie food, it says. Perfect travel pack set, obviously. I mean, how else the Tic Tacs come in? But they're bigger than Tic Tacs. I like wintergreen better. They come a little bigger than an actual Tic Tac, but it's super strong. I like to eat two, one on each side, so don't judge me. But, whew, it's opening up like my nasals. Could breathe. Loving these. These are amazing. I love Tic Tacs. I love mints. So, I feel like I could be in a Frosty commercial with these, basically. So yeah, there's not much to talk about Tic Tacs. Love them. Sugar-free mints with cooling crystal. They're 50% larger than the original Tic Tacs. Delivers intense, long-lasting refreshments. Now, everyone knows Tic Tac doesn't last that long. I say it lasts around the usual amount. So like right now, like I feel it, but I can feel it going faint. So I wouldn't say it's as long lasting as it says it is, but you get the gist. It's Tic Tacs. What can you expect? Other than that, I am absolutely loving these products. Just amazing. So I'm really happy with my Vox box this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it wasn't supposed to be that long. So the Bliss, Gold Bond, the Tic Tacs, living for all this stuff. The only thing I was not a fan of was this type A deodorant. I don't know. I mean, whatever, gets the job done, but just not for me. So I will be reviewing this stuff really soon. I'll be putting them on Influensters. I will be reviewing them on my Twitter and Instagram. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My Instagram is SkyDeHottie.4, Twitter is SkyDeHottie_4. So there's that. You can check out my reviews later. If you do have these Vox boxes, let me know what you received. I'm so interested to see what you have. I hope I get another Vox box. I didn't think I was gonna get one anytime soon because I basically reviewed one like last month. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. I was reviewing the Joah Beauty Blur Activator Mineral Primer. It's inspired by K-Beauty. And let me just say, I absolutely love that primer. That primer was fantastic. You get it at CVS for like 10 bucks. Amazing. Go ahead and check out that video. It's gonna be linked down below. It's basically your own built-in filter. So there's that. Get it. Anyways, I guess that's it for now. There's not much to discuss. I have a couple other videos in the making as of right now, so stay tuned for that. I guess that's it for now. I will see you guys next time. Bye, hotties.